I see. So Batman is dead. I assume this is your doing?
And then I pulled my cord and was like, especially for your creepy roleplay! Oh, the fuck! My arm! Fuck!
Thanks, cutie. This arm seems rather tasty.
That bitch just ate my arm! I don't know if you can tell, but this isn't part of my story.
Thanks, genius. I couldn't tell.
Suck my dick. I save you, and this is how... What the fuck? What's with this half-chub?
Look how cute that little thing is.
It's perfectly average.
That's exactly what my husband would say. I think you've met him before. You're standing on his guts after all.
This thing and Batman were sexing?
That bastard. He and I made passionate love every night, but now he's dead. Thank the Lord, because we're so incredibly bad at it.
Don't worry, I'll make love to you. With my fist!
What kind of comeback is that?
Well then, shall we begin?
Holy shit! Oh shit!
Maybe if I don't move, she won't notice I'm here.
Is that all you got? Bruce used to hit me 1,000,000 times harder than that.
Your husband used to hit you?
It was more of a role-play type thing. Something you definitely don't seem to be good at.
My dad always taught me to hit a woman.
Well, your dad sounds right. Did you just say your dad always taught you to always hit women? Disgusting!
I've jumped slice! Dad also taught me to keep my head in the books and out of girls. But there's something about your face that makes me want to stick my above-average chainsaw in it!
Now that's what I like to hear!
Thanks for consenting! I'll make sure to give you the time of your life!
I bet you do, you dirty mutt!
Ew, why does he look like that?
Hope you like more.
Uwu.
Not cool.
Permission to swallow this double, Aki-senpai?
Yes, kitten.
Thank you.
fucking mess. Rookies, I'm putting you two in charge of cleanup duty.
Yes!
Sir?
You too, Himino. Being old doesn't mean you can't clean.
No thanks.
I just want IHOP. Pancakes and bacon and eggs and eggs and eggs.
What's up with that tiny thing in your head?
It's perfectly average.
Good morning, Starshine. We found your arm. For some reason, it was found lodged up that devil's reproductive organs.
So you're telling me you found my arm in that devil's vag? That's kinda badass.
Not even a minute after waking up and you're already making stupid comments. Glad to see you haven't changed. You're lucky we got to you when we did. I'm not sure if you're aware, but you and that devil were basically having sex.
What?
If we had gotten there any second later, you'd be pregnant with 10 devil babies.
Damn, if I could've ended up like Arnold Schwarzenegger or whatever from Junior? Guess I owe you one, Akinator.
Well, rest up. We got a mission tomorrow. Oh yeah, and don't worry, you're still a virgin.
Sick. I think. I can't tell if that's a good thing.
Well, what'd he say? I'm innocent, right? Can you uncuff me now? My wrists are chafing.
Oh, thank God you're done. If I have to listen to this girl talk about my singing monsters one more time, I might just have to end it all in Minecraft.
Oh shit, you're playing My Singing Monsters too? I love that game. And then you place these little monsters and they start singing for you. Each little guy's like a different instrument. It's really cool. If you want to get it, it's on your phone and I can help you install it and...
Thank you, Aki. I'll make sure to look into this monster singing game.
Yeah, it's called My Singing Monsters.
Was that all you came here to tell me, or was there anything else? Like about our devils?
Oh right, Denji and Power are still alive and well. It was a close call, but Special Division 4 was able to save them both.
That's a relief.
Yeah, I'll take my leave.
Before you leave, I have a small question. About Denji. How do you think he's holding up here?
He'll be fine. I'll make sure of it later.
I think I'm gonna make a pizza. Hey, wanna play Tekken later?
Sure.
Hell yeah. The hell? You order something?
No?
Listen up, fuckers! Your savior has arrived!
Oh, did I not mention this to you last night? Power will be moving in with you two. I think it'll be a good bonding experience, especially for Power and Denji.
Good bonding experience? You just opened up the gates of hell!
You need to trust the process, Aki. They don't call me the Sam Henke of Devils for
Hey, this is pretty good, dang it!
It's my pizza, bitch!
Hear me, Owie? Have
But-
some!
Grapes are toxic to
Okay.
cats!
Good boy. I think you three will get along just fine. Thank you, Aki.
Ew. This is disgusting! I don't eat Indian curry!
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Not cool! Don't you dare disrespect Aki's Akiway curry ever again! You hear me?
Too much? How do you expect me to wipe my ass with only one roll?
12 sheets!
3 per wipe!
This bathtub looks like a torture machine.
It's called retro!
You wouldn't get it!
Look at these buffoons. They've obviously never lived with a woman before. Isn't that right, Mary?